Welcome to your new favorite fried chicken, Fruity Pebble fried chicken. Check it out. What's going on, man? We are going to make some dynamite fried chicken. Not just any fried chicken. Do you know what these are? Ooh, smells so good. The Fruity Pebbles. We're going to crush a little bit up, bread it, fry it, and eat it. First thing we want to do is clean the chicken up. We have all these little nuggets. Then we want to cut them into strips. Chicken is cleaned, sliced, a little salt, pepper, garlic, give it a mix. Now we're going to do what's called the standard breading procedure. We'll take the chicken, go into the flour. Anytime you roll in the flour, you want to shake off the excess. Then we go into the eggs. Again, shake off excess. And then we'll go into the breadcrumbs or the Fruity Pebbles. Give it a smash. Make sure we get good connection, good coverage. Oh, look at that. So excited. So we're going to fill up the pan, then we're going to start frying. Anytime we use a cast iron skillet, we want the handle to be hot. Not screaming hot, but we want it to be hot. That's what the cast iron does, is it likes to hold the heat. The thing is, if you just turn it on, wait for the bottom to get hot, it doesn't like to hold and regulate the heat like it's supposed to, like it wants to. Without the oil, preheat 30 minutes on like a medium low. And then right before you're going to use it, turn that heat up. Put the oil in, let the oil come to temperature, then the chicken goes in. The sugar content is a little bit high on the Fruity Pebbles, so we're going to cook it partially in the oil. We don't want it to turn dark. We want to keep that vibrant color, and then we're going to finish it in the oven about 310 degrees. Caramelization, the browning of the sugars or burning, happens about 310 degrees. So if you're too much higher, it's going to happen faster. If you're lower, it'll never happen, like 250. But 310 will be good to cook the chicken through without burning the outside. All right, man, these puppies are done. Try not to burn my chin. I tell you what, man, this Fruity Pebble fried chicken isn't just hokey. Look at this, the perfect doneness on this thing. And like the flavor actually is dynamite. So good. Man, see ya.